In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Calendar. Are you managing multiple projects and tasks and finding it challenging to keep up with all the deadlines and appointments? Well, you're in luck, because today I'll walk you through integrating your Monday.com boards with Google Calendar. This will not only help you synchronize your tasks and deadlines, but also ensure that you stay on top of your schedule with ease. To start, you'll need to log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you will find your profile icon. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you're going to want to select the Automations option. Now, this is where the magic begins, as automations allow you to streamline your workflow by setting up various actions and triggers. Once you're in the Automations menu, you'll come across a search bar. Here, type in Google Calendar. This step is your gateway to discovering all the automation recipes related to Google Calendar. Thanks to Monday.com's intuitive design, you can easily find exactly what you need without any hassle. After hitting the search button, the Google Calendar option should pop up in your search results. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial because it gets you one step closer to the integration features you're aiming for. You're now at an exciting stage where you'll be prompted to choose a template that best suits your needs. Monday.com provides several templates crafted for various use cases, ensuring there's something for everyone. Once you find a template that resonates with your workflow, select it. After choosing your template, you'll then select the board you wish to connect with Google Calendar. This could be any board you're actively using to manage tasks, projects, or anything requiring timely follow-ups. Make your selection and click on the Connect button. This takes you closer to achieving synchronization between Monday.com and Google Calendar. To complete the integration, you'll need to select the Google account you wish to use. You'll be redirected to a Google login page, where you can choose your preferred account. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to continue. This is quite standard for third-party integrations, as permissions need to be granted for both services to work together seamlessly. Click on Continue to proceed. Google will then show you a list of permissions that Monday.com requires to function effectively with Google Calendar. Take a moment to read through these permissions so you're comfortable with the access being granted. If everything seems agreeable, click on Select All. After this, click on Continue to finalize the integration process. Now back in Monday.com, click on Create Automation. This is where you define the specific actions and triggers for how and when your tasks and events should synchronize between Monday.com and Google Calendar. For instance, if you want to create an event in Google Calendar every time a new item is added or updated in your Monday.com board, look for the option that says, when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. Selecting this ensures that every change in your board reflects in your Google Calendar, keeping you aligned and on track. After choosing your desired automation, select what event you want, like the due date. This ensures that the correct information is synced, making it incredibly easy to follow through on your tasks and appointments. Finally, click on Done, and voila, you've successfully created an automation that synchronizes your Monday.com board with your Google Calendar. With this integration, you're now set to streamline your work process, ensuring you never miss a beat with your scheduled tasks and deadlines. Integrating Monday.com with Google Calendar can significantly enhance your time and task management, offering a comprehensive view of your commitments directly from your calendar. Remember, staying organized and ahead of your schedule is key to achieving your goals. With these steps, you're well on your way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials that will help you work smarter, not harder.